Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop. Today, let's talk about a really small but effective exercise for our clients who are aging, which, oh, by the way, that's all of us. So I'm very concerned about my favorite client, myself, and all of my other clients, and I hope that you are too. There's a small exercise that we could do and that we could give to all of our other clients that really helps us to stay upright and avoid trips and falls. Now, there's a lot of things that we need to do to avoid trips and falls in life at all stages of life. But one is a strengthening of your foot and your lower leg. Now, I know I teach all of these Pilates work, but it can be done with Pilates clients, but this is for any person. This is actually a physical therapy exercise to strengthen your underside of your foot and the musculature of the underside of your foot and lower leg. It's called the Velé Lean Forward, a physical therapy exercise. It's so important. So as we get older, our feet actually become more hypermobile and less strong. We have to really strengthen them, especially the flexors of the sole of the foot. This little exercise is remarkable. If we set our feet a fist width apart and parallel, and you're upright, all in your natural curves of your spine relative to your neutral pelvis, you lean forward at your ankles as a plank and press your big toe knuckles down. Now, not scrunch your toes, but press your toes down, especially big toe. I said big toe knuckle, but I really mean your big toe. And then rock yourself back upright. You could stay there 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rock back upright. Now, here I am leaning into nothing. I feel very confident about myself being able to lean very strongly. I've got my heels down and pressing my big toes in. But when I give it to a regular client, I have their fingertips or their hands forward very close to a wall. And then they lean in. They're not touching the wall, but if they need to, they could fall right up into the wall if necessary. And I should turn this so that you can see that. So, if need be, they're leaning, pressing their big toes down. If they feel uncomfortable, they could lean and catch themselves with their hands, or of course, step a foot forward. But you lean forward and again, press toes down into the ground. I'm pressing my big toe down as I lean at my ankles, rock back up. 5 sets of 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return up. It's a simple exercise that has maximum amazing results. Again, pressing big toes down to strengthen the musculature of the underside of the foot. And there's full musculature of your legs and torso, of course, if you're making great connections. The Velé Lean Forward, let's use it for our clients who are aging, which is everybody's aging every day, and our deconditioned clients. It's a great little simple exercise for them to even practice at home. Enjoy.